Anyways, wishing everyone Happy New Year. Gonna wish everyone Happy New Year. I'm just this nice little parking lot. Oh, yeah. Anyways, yeah, I'm gonna wish everyone Happy New Year. I don't have much to do today. Yeah, got one thing fixed. I got another thing I gotta fix on this car. Got a bad light on my trunk that the wire is broken. Ew. Yeah, that's what they said. That's what the BMW told me. That it's the wiring harness is broken. They want $500 for the wiring harness and a piece of rubber. So yeah, he told me just track it down, replace that little piece of wire. So it's too cold to do that now. Yeah, let me see how bring you along. Anyways, I'm going to show you. Here's the spot where it's broken. Right in here. Right there. He said right in this loom right here, it's broken. Right there. They don't sell that rubber either. That comes with the wiring harness. That's $500. That's what he says for all the wiring. I know how to fix it. It's just too cold right now to be fixing anything right now. You know, it's the top light that's burnt. That side is fine. It's that side. So they want $500. I'm not spending $500 for that. No way in hell. Let me see if I can show you. Yeah, it's all empty here. Man, you got a couple cars. Yeah, right here. Let me see. Oh, yeah. Let's see. Yeah, see, tail light. One of the tail lights. That's on the trunk side. Sometimes she works, sometimes she doesn't. Anyways, I'm gonna clean this car off, the top of this car before I get a fine. Anyways, everyone have a Happy New Year. I'm gonna see if I can change my life around this year. Hopefully the government doesn't play around with games this year. We'll see what happens. Okay. Anyways, have a safe New Year, everyone. All right. Catch you on the flip side. Like and subscribe if you like this kind of bullshit.